Ito,
Hindi
hinihintay ko.
kompleto araw natin kung wala nating maganda na manggagaling pa sa taas, mga kaibigan. Hulog. Sana'y huwag mahulog,
Sa
mga
taas.
kaibigan. Ayun eh.
Ah, sa
Stewardess Saida! Ayun o!
Waka Waka!
Ang galing! Uy!
Waka Waka Saida!
Uy! Uy! Ayan na po, galing pa ng Africa, mga kaibigan. Lumipad! Woo! At siyempre pa, dala ang inyong merienda. Ano kaya? Ayan po, habang sinasayawan. Nabara pa, nabara. Oh, ayan na po mga kaibigan. Mukhang kakaiba to. Ibang naaamoy ko, ah.
Smells...
Fishy.
No, it smells
Nene.
putok. Smells like tukping.
Ano yan? Parang ibang amoy.
Hi, sir. I prepared something hot. It's really bagay na bagay for the typhoon, Bashang.
Napapalapit si Anjo.
Bagay na bagay sa typhoon na Bashang. Huh? Okay, so what do we have for today?
It's a rice porridge with onions, garlic,
Baka am lang yan. Hindi kaya am lang.
or kasubha, ginger.
Saffron.
But
Sir. Or
smells
kasubha
good,
in Tagalog.
What?
Kasubha.
Kasubha? Aba, ibig sabihin ito yung sineserve din sa aeroplano to eh. Pag may mga pababa na mga 2 hours before o 3 hours before.
So, what's that?
It's lugaw!
Oh.
Parang arroz caldo, pero may dalawang itlog. Ba't may
It's
dalawang
best,
itlog?
Yes, sir. It's best combined with 2 eggs, chicken meat, or off stripe, or tuwalya.
Oh,
Wow.
nice, eh?
You like lugaw?
Yes, sir.
With eggs?
With egg, of course, sir.
Of course. Are they
Okay.
clean?
They're clean, sir. I washed it.
Your
What
eggs
did
are
you
clean?
wash?
My eggs are clean, sir.
Okay, good.
You wash your eggs?
Sabi niya.
I wash my eggs, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you,
Thank
Miss
you.
Waka Waka.
Importante yan.
What's the problem, sir?
We want to have twins.
Twins.
Bossing and yours truly.
Oh, sir, sure.
How do we do it?
You adopt.
No, we don't like that.
Can he adopt stewardess?
Yes, sir.
Oh, yes or no?
Just get 2 EB babes. That's twins.
Ibi Babe Twins.
EB babe twins. You want? I will get this one. You get Hopia.
Ha?
You don't like Hopia?
Hopya. No, hopyang di mabili. May amag sa tabi.
You dream of having a boxer child. Right?